The next area we are going to look into is cell activities. Cell activity represents activities, all the metabolic activities going on in the cell. It includes respiration, growth, reproduction, irritability, and so on. We are going to take them one after the other. Let's start with A, cell respiration. This is breaking down when a cell uses oxygen to break down glucose and produce ATP, water and carbon dioxide. It could be aerobic, it could be anaerobic. If it's aerobic, it uses oxygen to break down the sugar molecule. But if it's anaerobic, it is done without oxygen, using only enzyme. They'll be able to break it down to either glucose and alcohol in the case of plants, or lactic acid in the case of animal. Now let us see some questions based on this activity. Number 1, anaerobic phosphorylation of glucose molecule to form pyruvate occur in which part of the cell? A, Golgi body, B, mitochondrion, C, cytoplasm, D, rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is a straightforward question. We know that in the cell, respiration is taking place in mitochondrion. We know that the Golgi body is not involved. We know that rough endoplasmic reticulum is not involved in respiration. The mitochondrion have been known for aerobic respiration. So the answer is C. That is, the glucose is broken down to pyruvic acid inside cytoplasm using enzyme without oxygen. That's why it's anaerobic phosphorylation. So answer is C. Number 2, which of these products will be produced in the muscles of a person involved in rigorous exercise? The principle behind this question is this: when somebody is involved in rigorous exercise, all the blood is pumped into his muscles. The lungs will have deficient supply of blood. So oxygen is not enough for the person who is doing such rigorous exercise. Therefore, it cannot break all the sugars down in his body aerobically. So it carries out what we call anaerobic process to break the sugar down. In that case, it produces an intermediate between sugar and water, a partially broken down glucose. So because it's talking of a person, so it's an animal, so it's going to be an acid, not an alcohol. A, adenosine diphosphate, no. B, lactic acid. C, citric acid. D, acetic acid. Answer is B, lactic acid. Number 3, most ATP molecules are produced in which part of a cell? Nucleus, that's A. B, cytoplasm. C, ribosome. D, mitochondrion. We know that the nucleus is the controlling center of the cell. We say it controls the whole activities of the cell. Cytoplasm is where most chemical reaction is taking place because it contains a lot of enzyme and provides surface area. It also is a place where other organisms are suspended. Ribosomes is known for the cell, protein production in the cell. Mitochondrion is known for aerobic respiration of the cell. Hence, it is called the powerhouse of the cell. So, most ATP is produced in the powerhouse, which is mitochondrion. So, our answer to number 3 is D.